In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to use a multiplication table to solve simple multiplication facts. Let's start with problem number 1. 4 times 3. 4 groups of 3. I'm going to look over here at my orange column going up and down. These are called factors, and I'm multiplying 4 times the factor of 3. So I'm going to circle those two numbers. Then I'm going to connect them with a line going across until I get to the 3 column. 4 groups of 3 equals 12. My answer is 12. 0 groups of 3 is 0. 1 group of 3 is 3. 2 groups of 3 is 6. 3 groups of 3 is 9, and 4 groups of 3 is 12. Let's try if we can repeat that same thing using 2 times 5. 2 groups of 5 equals, I'm going to draw a line across, draw a line down, and see where they meet. 10. 0 groups of 5 is 0. 1 group of 5 is 5. And 2 groups of 5 is 10. 2 groups of 5 equals 10. I'm going to show you another one. 8 groups of 4. I'm going to circle my factor 8 times 4. And I'm just using different colors so it's more obvious. I'm going to draw my line across until I get to the 4 column. Whoops. And they meet at the number 32. 0 groups of 4 is 0. 1 group of 4 is 4. 2 groups of 4 is 8. 3 groups of 4 is 12. All the way down. 8 groups of 4 is 32. 8 times 4 is 32. I want you to push pause on the video and complete the rest of the work on your own. Before you push pause, I want to show you a little trick. It does not matter which number you choose first. If you look at numbers 6 and 7, this is called commutative property of multiplication. The order of the numbers doesn't change the product or the answer to a multiplication sentence. 3 groups of 7 is the same as 7 groups of 3. Let's take a look at how I'm going to find that. Let's start with 3 groups up here, 3 of 7 up here. Don't forget, I'm going to drag this all the way until I get to my 7 row. Drag a line down and see where they meet. 21. My answer to 3 times 7 is 21. If I wanted to start at the number 7 and do 7 groups of 3, the commutative property of multiplication teaches me that I'm going to get the same exact result, 21. 7 groups of 3 is the same as 3 groups of 7. Go ahead and push pause and finish the problems. Come back to check your work. In order to check your work, you can follow my different colors from one factor to the next. 3 times 6 is 18. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 2 is 12. The commutative property says that we can switch the order and it doesn't matter. 2 times 6 is also 12. And then 11 times 4 is 44. Thanks for watching this lesson. Hope it was helpful.